Johnny Depp's first wife, Lori Allison, recently gave an interview where she called Amber Heard horrible after her defamation lawsuit and was very worried about her ex-husband and his reputation. Watch to the end and find out exactly what Lori said and remembered about the ex-couple. Also, please subscribe to the channel and like this video. It's not hard for you, but it feels good for me. Hi everyone, here's more with stars, and here we go. First off, a little interesting backstory. Lori married Johnny in 1983 when he was 20 and she was 25, and the couple divorced after only 2 years. Nevertheless, the couple remained close, and Lori admitted that when she saw Johnny in court, she was terrified that he might lose. Speaking on Popcorn Planet, the 65-year-old makeup artist rolled her eyes when asked how she felt seeing Amber. Heard make all these accusations and subject him to bullying? Lori said, "I had met her before, been to parties at his house, and she seemed very sweet and gorgeous. What's not to like? But time went on, and I heard something about her, the one you can't call her." He didn't seem too happy the whole time. I didn't see much of him, so I can't say for sure. What hit me the hardest was what he said in court. I must have fallen over a few times because I felt very sorry for him. He's very secretive, so I don't do interviews. I think what he confessed so sincerely was what he really needed to do. I thought it was either going to be an epic train wreck or it was going to go very well. Obviously referring to Isaac Baruch, one of Johnny's closest friends, who testified on his behalf in court, Lori continued, "I would sometimes call Isaac and ask what was going on. Is he okay? And he'd say, 'Don't worry, I'm no angel. I've done my share of terrible things to people.' But what she did was absolutely horrible. If there were things I could have done to her legally, I would have done them. I would have done it." Later in the conversation, Lori was full of kind words for her ex, admitting that she had fond memories of their life together. She said, "He's very generous. He has the biggest heart of anyone I've ever met. I love him to bits. I just go crazy when I think about him, about his future, about our past. I wish him nothing but the best, and I hope he feels the same way about me. Can I say bad things about him? I can say bad things about everyone, but there's no reason for that. He makes the usual mistakes, just like other people. But then again, he is generous and kind, and I can't wait to be in the same room with him again because I love to hug him." In 2016, Amber, 36, accused Johnny of domestic violence, and the actor lost a libel case in the UK after he sued the Sun newspaper for calling him a wife-beater. The actor was then blacklisted in Hollywood, which led to him losing his movie roles. However, after Johnny filed a defamation lawsuit against Amber in 2022, the legendary actor regained the attention of Hollywood. A jury trial ruled that Amber's claim published in a 2018 The Washington Post article against Johnny was defamatory and ordered her to pay the actor $10 million and $350,000 in damages. In the same court, Johnny was ordered to pay Amber $2 million after Heard filed a counterclaim for defamation. The actress further appealed, but the former couple recently reached an agreement in December that Amber would pay $1 million to settle the case. Lori Depp appeared on a live broadcast where YouTubers were raising money for charity in honor of Johnny's court anniversary. Thanks to them and her appearance, the YouTubers raised more than they had planned in a few hours.